If you're a student looking to access case studies or join a course created by your instructor, take a few minutes to sign up for Nikkei BizRuptors. Step 1. Create your account. Start on the Nikkei BizRuptors homepage. In the top right corner, click Sign Up. Select Student as your role. Then fill in the details of your email address, name, university, faculty, and password. Using your official university email helps us verify your account quickly and ensures you receive the correct pricing and access to the courses shared by your educators. Step 2. Confirm your email. After submitting your information, you'll see a pop-up asking you to confirm your email. Check your inbox for an email from us. If it's not there, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Click the link inside the message to activate your account. In the case you don't have a university email, you can still verify your student status by contacting our customer support and submitting your student ID. Once confirmed, you'll land on the success page and your account is ready to use. Bonus tip: access or purchase case studies. You may have already been added to certain courses by your professor with granted access to the corresponding case studies. Or, if you want to purchase a case individually, open the library, pick your case, click Add to Cart, and proceed to checkout. At checkout, select your preferred payment method. Credit card payments grant instant access. For bank transfer, access will be activated once the payment is confirmed, which may take a bit longer. To view your purchased case studies, go to My Case Studies in the top right corner. There, you can access any cases in your list anytime you want. You're now ready to explore cases, join your educators' courses, and start learning with Nikkei BizRuptors.